Are you considering buying a new construction home in Palm Coast, Florida? Here are the top 5 reasons why you should make that move today. Palm Coast is booming right now, and for good reason. We've got it all: beaches, golf courses, and that relaxed Florida lifestyle everyone's after. But what really sets Palm Coast apart is the incredible value you get in new construction homes. I'm talking top-of-the-line everything, energy efficiency that'll save you a fortune, and the chance to customize your dream home from the ground up. Let's talk about the wow factor. When you buy new construction in Palm Coast, you're getting the latest and greatest. Think open floor plans, gourmet kitchens with islands that go on for days, spa-like bathrooms, the works. These aren't your grandma's houses. We're talking features you'd expect in $1 million listing, but here in Palm Coast, you get that luxury for a fraction of the price. Listen, nobody likes paying outrageous energy bills, am I right? That's the beauty of new construction. These homes are built with energy efficiency in mind from top to bottom. We're talking high-efficiency appliances, windows that keep the heat out, and insulation that would make a polar bear jealous. What does that mean for you? Lower energy bills, more money in your pocket, and a smaller carbon footprint. Who doesn't love that? One of the most exciting things about buying new construction is the ability to customize it to your exact taste. Want a chef's kitchen with a 6-burner stove? Done. How about a walk-in closet that rivals your favorite boutique? Consider it done. With new construction, you're not stuck with someone else's choices. You get to handpick the finishes, the fixtures, the flooring, everything. It's like having your own HGTV show, but without the cameras and the drama. Let's be honest, nobody wants to spend their weekends fixing leaky faucets and mowing the lawn. With new construction, you can say goodbye to those pesky maintenance headaches. Everything is brand new, from the roof to the plumbing, so you can relax and enjoy your weekends instead of playing handyman. Spend your time at the beach, on the golf course, or exploring all that Palm Coast has to offer. Leave the worry behind. Buying a home is a big investment, so it's important to have peace of mind. That's where new construction shines again. Most new homes come with comprehensive warranties that cover everything from the structure to the appliances. So if something unexpected happens, you're protected. Think of it as an insurance policy for your dream home. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. Palm Coast is calling, and there's never been a better time to answer. With its stunning new construction homes, unbeatable value, and that laid-back Florida lifestyle, it's no wonder so many people are making the move. For more information on new construction homes in Palm Coast, Florida, contact Doran Davis, your premier local realtor at 757-553-8765 today. Don't miss out on your dream home.